We think of New Year's Eve as a prime time for drunk drivers, but Super Bowl Sunday is high up on the list as well.
As KPLC's Rania Kaur shows us, state police was out in force today showing the dangers of drunk driving.
This line right here, I use this to make it a little easier for you so you can see the delineation between the lighter and darker.
It seems like a simple enough task, walking in a straight line. But everyone who tries never wants to do it again.
You don't want to experience, that's for sure. There's lines everywhere. You can't follow them. It's great. There's stuff everywhere.
I felt like I was all over the place in all honesty. Y'all ended up telling me I did a good job after, but it didn't feel too good while it was going on.
I could barely see. I felt like I was in like a 3D dimension. I couldn't even walk.
Because all of these attempts were made while walking with fatal vision goggles.
The fatal vision goggles, also known as drunk goggles, are used to demonstrate some of the visual impairment that takes place when you're impaired. By having people try them on, they get to experience this for themselves.
It's all a part of the Fans Don't Let Fans Drive Drunk message Louisiana State Police and the Louisiana Highway Safety Commission are spreading this weekend.
We know that there are going to be additional impaired drivers who are leaving watch parties, whether it's at a bar, whether it's at someone's home. So we're trying to prevent impaired driving before it takes place.
But it's not just impaired driving because of drinking they're trying to prevent.
We're looking for people who are impaired by anything. It could be alcohol, it could be pills, it could be marijuana. If you drive different if you feel different, and that's one of the messages we're trying to get out.
Even those who can't drive are trying them on.
We're asking everyone to be the MVP at their Super Bowl party by preventing others around them from driving impaired.
At your service, Rania Kaur, KPLC 7 News.
Louisiana State Police will be at Prien Lake Mall all weekend with those drunk goggles for whoever wants to try them on. And if you do see an impaired driver, you can call STAR LSP, that's star 577 or 911.